Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Brian in Alabama on this RCI-2970N2. Brian, we got you ready to go here, man. I'm going to show you what we got. Our power all the way down first. 5-watt slug. Five-watt carrier. 100-watt slug. 40 watts all the way up. We'll roll it back down here and I'm going to show you average power swing first. Audio. Hello. Audio. About 88 to 90 bird watts. We're going to go to the peak. We're going to go to 5x position, read like a 500 watt scale. That's 200, and that's 250. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Get 230, 235 watts. All right, Brian is ready to come to you, along with your static 636L noise canceling mic with the package, and your extended wire. Your friend Truck CBSales@gmail.com. Bump bump.